It's Labor Day weekend here in the United States. This is Des Woodruff, here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. Good through September 1st, 2014, and the summer has basically wrapped itself up. However, weather in my neck of the woods in the Midwest, still very hot. On Friday, the markets in the day bullish. NASDAQ up 0.5%, but small caps doing the best, up 0.72%. Banks confirming Friday's pop. VIX not confirming it so much. VIX only down 0.6%. Precious metals are down. Utility sector up big. So defensive sector up 0.76%. Telling us people are taking defensive measures out there in the markets. All right, well, let's take a look here at what's going on. And this is the S&P 500. Had this beautiful last 2-3 weeks, big run to the upside. And this past week, we started dropping. We had a really good chance of a decent pullback, but we're not seeing that right now. On Friday on the S&P 500, we closed near the day's high, closing at an all-time record high. The markets have just been on fire. So this here, we have a close over a lot of this resistance area. I'm looking for more upside potential here. If I look at the spiders, the market or the volume had been drying up. The last 2 updates, though, you're seeing an uptick in volume. We want to see more of that going higher. What I don't want to see happen here, and let me be very clear, what I don't want to see happen is when the markets open back here in the United States on Tuesday and Wednesday, to see sideways steps. If we get that, because of this little high base with the V, I call it the V of death, in the middle of this base, that would be more bearish, almost like a flat top, double top trend reversal pattern. We need the next few days going into next Friday to be up. We really need to see that for the markets to stay healthy. On Friday, we have a big jobs report. Everybody is watching Friday's job report. That will be very big. The NASDAQ, high base, boom, big pop closing near the day's high, really up there, like a 14-year high on the NASDAQ. Take a look here at the banks. The banks pulled back, popped. We're trying to get back over all these moving averages to rally to the upside. Take a look here at the VIX. The VIX drop, little bear pullback and then dropping. Be interesting to see if we get another down leg right here. And that means if the VIX goes down, the market should go higher. VIX below all major moving averages. So the moving average is acting as resistance. Gold here. Drop, bear flag, looks very bearish. Like it looks like an opportunity here for the markets to go bearish. And if that were to happen, let me draw Fibonacci here. Yeah, it stopped right here at 38.2. I mean, this is a big time bearish spot. Be looking to short gold. Silver might be ready for a down leg also. Just be careful with silver. I was thinking silver would be a nice buy, but it's just not taking off. Every time we go higher, people are selling into that strength. Not very good. I'm going to go back to the S&P now. I'm going to look at the weekly chart. If you look at the weekly chart, you'll see we have a lot of upside potential here. We want to take advantage of that. We want to tag that upper trend line. We need that to happen. On the monthly chart, we're nearing a resistance area, not as much room. So if we pop up, that'd be great. NASDAQ weekly chart. This is the weekly chart on the NASDAQ. We closed over a resistance line. That is huge. So if this is a precursor of what's to come, look for a lot more upside potential here in the markets. I unloaded my hedge. I am all long this market just because of what I'm sharing with you here. And Couple noteworthy. Friday, Facebook was up 1.3%. That's a weekly chart. Here it is. When it dropped, I got out of it. It's at resistance. I don't. It's still in a lot of trouble here. GoPro was up almost 6%. I hold GoPro, by the way. What else was a mover? Really, no other big movers there. And on the website, a couple things I want to highlight to you. A lot of people don't know this. When you go to the website, we have a lot of free education, the 101s, the trading videos, chart school, very, very popular. I want you to focus on the premium products. This is where we sell our wares, but we save the best for this area. We give the elementary cheap stuff here. The stuff that we use on a day-to-day basis to make money in the markets are found here. Take the 201 courses. This will help you become a rock star trader. This is where you want to be. It also comes with a trading coach. You will be coached through these programs. The Grok Star chat room, that's only if you are a blistering fast rock star day trader. If you want to use a 1-minute chart and you want to get after it, this chat room's for you. Mentoring, this is where we take you in and we coach you, we teach you, and this is where we take you from A to Z to become all you can be as a trader. We also have stock picks that we do each week and put a lot of effort into this. We use 16 metrics to find out if a stock is worth putting on the list. We do bull and bear lists, and we have a team of people that help put this together each week. Very powerful. But if you want to learn to trade 201s and then the mentorship, if you just want to be fed a couple trades to be looking at, if you go to the Stock Picks V newsletter and then the Rockstar chat room, if you want to be a day trader. So there it is. The markets are looking pretty bullish. We'll see if we can continue this going into next week. Take care. Thank you. Down at the bottom or at the top, depending on where you're seeing this, there's a like button. If you would be so kind, click that or leave a comment. We love the comments. Take care, and we'll catch you guys Tuesday.